So we got a portal here, and it's about 3 feet, and we're inside one of these burnt structures. There he is in the back, and there's another. They all seem to have several set-in holes.
There's their cubby, that's where they put their stuff.
And then for, you know, your cell phone and stuff goes in there.
Cell phone.
But what we did find is this drill hole. It goes straight in here. I mean, this is a drill hole. And it goes in, I would say, 16 inches straight in. Clearly advanced technology right there. Oh! We lost him! This is crazy honeycomb. I think this is the ant people. I think we're at the ant people.
Oh shit, man. There's stuff in here.
This is the ant people, dude. They lived here. Clearly.
Hold on. Yeah, this is... There's some petroglyphs in here. Did you see these ones?
Oh, man. Oh, that's great. More suns. This is a sunroom. So, this portal maybe. Oh, that doesn't go anywhere. Unless you have a mirror. Oh, here. So this portal hits the sun in the middle of the ground. This is the sunroom. So when the sun hits the center of the floor here, something in particular is happening. Oh man, there's like waves, snakes, the ocean. That snake is all the way around the room. To the sun. Oh, the sun traverses the back of the... This is the sun. Oh my God, moving from one side of the room to the other.
Wow.
That's what that's what that...
About.
Oh my God, it's like a language. No wonder they never written language. It's pretty obvious. Just look at the pictures.